Dreaming of the perfect Thailand adventure? Whether you crave tropical beaches, jungle hikes, or cultural wonders, this ultimate trip planner has got you covered. We're about to embark on an epic journey through three of Thailand's most incredible destinations: Khao Lak, Koh Chang, and Chiang Rai. Get ready to discover pristine beaches, lush jungles, ancient temples, and the warmest hospitality in the world. From the stunning coastline of Khao Lak to the laid-back island life of Koh Chang and the cultural richness of Chiang Rai, we'll unlock the best-kept secrets and must-have experiences each destination has to offer. Let's get started. Khao Lak on Thailand's Andaman coast is a true paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Imagine sinking your toes into the soft white sands of Nang Thong Beach, the perfect spot to unwind and soak up the tropical vibes. The turquoise waters gently lap the shore, inviting you for a refreshing swim. But Khao Lak is much more than just stunning beaches. Venture off the beaten path to Pak Wheat Beach, a secluded haven accessible only by boat. This hidden gem offers tranquility and breathtaking views, a true escape from the everyday. For those seeking adventure, Khao Lak is the gateway to Khao Sok National Park, a jungle paradise teeming with life. Trek through dense rainforest, marvel at towering limestone cliffs, and cool off in hidden waterfalls like the majestic Thong Fa. And if you're a diving enthusiast, a day trip to the Similan Islands is a must. This archipelago boasts some of the most vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life in the world. Get ready to be mesmerized by an underwater wonderland. But no trip to Thailand is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Head to Bang Niang Market, where the aroma of fresh seafood and sizzling street food fills the air. Treat your taste buds to authentic Thai flavors, from spicy curries to sweet mango sticky rice. Imagine yourself sipping on a refreshing coconut while watching the sunset over the Andaman Sea. Khao Lak is a place where you can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature and yourself. Now, let's hop on a ferry and journey to our next destination, Koh Chang. Koh Chang, the second largest island in Thailand, is a haven of tranquility and adventure. Picture yourself strolling along White Sand Beach, the island's most popular stretch of coastline. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, and the crystal-clear waters shimmer under the tropical sun. It's the quintessential island paradise. For a more offbeat experience, head to Lonely Beach, a haven for backpackers and free spirits. This bohemian enclave offers a laid-back vibe, beachfront bars with live music, and a chance to connect with fellow travelers from around the globe. But Koh Chang's beauty extends far beyond its beaches. Embark on a jungle trek to the cascading Klong Plu waterfall, where you can cool off in the refreshing natural pools. The hike through lush rainforest is an adventure in itself. For a truly unforgettable experience, visit one of Koh Chang's ethical elephant sanctuaries. Interact with these gentle giants, learn about their stories, and support their well-being in a responsible and sustainable way. As the sun begins to set, Koh Chang comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. Beachfront bars pulse with music, fire shows light up the sand, and the aroma of barbecued seafood fills the air. Don't miss out on the island's incredible street food scene. From pad thai to fresh fruit shakes, your taste buds will be tantalized by the explosion of flavors. Koh Chang is a place to embrace island life, connect with nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Now let's leave the coast behind and journey north to the cultural heartland of Thailand, Chiang Rai. Chiang Rai, nestled in the mountainous region of northern Thailand, offers a captivating blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by the architectural marvels of Wat Rong Khun, better known as the White Temple. Its intricate details and shimmering white exterior are a sight to behold. Continue your temple-hopping adventure at the Blue Temple, a vision in cobalt blue and gold, and the enigmatic Black House, a collection of traditional wooden structures showcasing the dark side of art and spirituality. Chiang Rai is also your gateway to the Golden Triangle, the point where the borders of Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar converge. Take a boat trip along the Mekong River, visit local villages, and learn about the region's complex history and culture. For a truly immersive experience, venture into the hills to visit one of the many hill tribe villages that call this region home. Meet the local people, learn about their unique traditions and craftsmanship, and gain a deeper understanding of their way of life. As the day winds down, immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Chiang Rai Night Bazaar. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with stalls selling everything from handicrafts and souvenirs to delicious northern Thai cuisine. Be sure to sample khao soi, a flavorful curry noodle soup that's a specialty of the region. The rich coconut broth, tender noodles, and aromatic spices will tantalize your taste buds. Chiang Rai is a place to delve into Thailand's cultural heritage, connect with local communities, and witness the beauty of the Golden Triangle. Now that you're dreaming of exploring these incredible destinations, let's talk about planning your trip. For an unforgettable experience, I recommend spending at least 4 to 5 days in Khao Lak, 3 to 4 days on Koh Chang, and 3 to 4 days in Chiang Rai. Getting to Thailand is easy, with international flights arriving in Bangkok. From there, you can easily connect to Phuket for Khao Lak, Trat for Koh Chang, and Chiang Rai via domestic flights or comfortable buses. Within each destination, you'll find various transportation options. Song Theus, which are shared pickup trucks, are a budget-friendly way to get around, while motorbike taxis offer a more adventurous experience. Renting a scooter is a great way to explore at your own pace, but remember to wear a helmet and drive safely. Accommodation options in Thailand cater to every budget and preference. From beachfront bungalows to luxurious resorts, cozy guest houses to budget-friendly hostels, you'll find the perfect place to rest your head. When it comes to packing, remember to pack light, breathable clothing, swimwear, comfortable walking shoes, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat. And don't forget your sense of adventure. Thailand welcomes travelers with open arms and warm smiles. With a little planning and these insider tips, you're sure to have an unforgettable journey through the land of smiles. From the pristine beaches of Khao Lak to the lush jungles of Koh Chang and the cultural wonders of Chiang Rai, Thailand has something to offer every type of traveler. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, lounging on pristine beaches, or exploring ancient temples, Thailand has it all. Comment below which place excites you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Now go pack your bags, book that ticket, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in breathtaking Thailand.